Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about the Cormo job that is owned by Google. So we will talk about how to apply to this job and what are the categories we are getting in this job, as we will see everything in this video. We will see what the application is, how to install the application, how to use the application, how to apply for the jobs, how to find jobs. So watch this video till the end to get all the updates about the Cormo jobs and latest jobs that are getting posted on this platform. So let's start with the video. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, I am also posting some updates on Telegram channel also. You can join my Telegram channel. On that you will get many updates, many materials related to job interviews. That will be easy for you also to crack the jobs. So join my Telegram channel and let's start with the video today. So the first thing we are going to see is the features of this platform. What is the features of this job? Then I will show you practically the application process, how to apply, how to install this. I will give everything in this video. So don't worry, just watch this video till end. It is a very short video. So this is the first thing, that is our features of this platform. You can find jobs according to the categories, like you can find jobs related to cooking, related to drawing, related to engineering, related to non-tech. Everything is defined in a category, so you can see every job in a category wise and you can find the jobs easily according as per your category priorities. So the next thing is job at all the levels, fresher to experience. So in this platform you will get all the jobs that are from the fresher level to the experience level. Suppose you are a fresher, then also you will get a job, and for experience, then also there is a job. So you will find many jobs on this portal. So let's see the next one. Next one is these jobs are already available. So these jobs are not given by Google. It is already available, like you have seen about like you have seen the Naukri.com, Shine.com. So you can consider the same, but it is more legit as it is owned by Google. So you can trust this site more. And the next one is apply with the resume. So make a basic resume as per the category you want to apply, non-tech, tech, engineering, anything. So draw a good resume and you are ready to go. And the next one is application. So we will see the application, how to apply. Let's see how to find a job. What is the things we need to keep in the mind while using this app. So I will give the link of this app in the description. So let's see how to apply the job from this app, how to use this app, what are the categories, what are the features of this app. We will see everything practically. So let's start with the application process. So as you can see on the screen, this is the Cormo job application. I will provide the link of this application in the description also. You can download this application from the description. So let's tap on this. When you will tap on this, a page will come where you need to sign in. That is a basic thing. Then I will continue here. The next thing is that you need here, as I told, that you will get to choose according to a category. So this was the thing. I will need to choose according to the category. What type of jobs are you looking for? So these are the things. These are different job: design, cooking, administrative work, management. So I will choose my computer and software IT support, and I will click on continue. When you will click on continue, so here will be your locations. Some locations will be shown. Now I will use my current location. Okay. So this will detect my location automatically, as it has detected my location. So here I can get my all the jobs that are available. You will get all the jobs. So I need to choose one. See, suppose I am choosing the first one, that is data entry. So I have told you one thing, that these jobs are already available. It is already available. As you can see here, that from Shine.com, and the heading is being given that from Shine.com. So this data is fetched from the other side, and it is like the genuine that jobs are available. Those jobs are integrated in this application. So you can apply for those jobs from this application. That is the basic thing. Okay. Now what you need to do, you can see for the description, you can see for the qualification, that is minimum level of education, that is diploma. Now you can choose, you can apply here, continue to Shine.com. So here you can apply from this from the Shine.com. So this was the thing, and you can also see they are different. See, verified. So see, from according to my location, it is being shown that Golghar, Gorakhpur. That is my location. Gorakhpur is my location. So it is showing the job according to my location. You can also choose some other location also here, so that it will, like you choose Bangalore for example. So it will show the jobs according to the Bangalore location. So you can see the jobs according to your preference, your preferred locations, your preferred criteria, your preferred categories. So this is I think so this application is very good, and I thought to share this as I came to know about this application. So I thought to make a video on this, and you can download this application, apply for this job. It is very easy. Okay, so this was all about today's video. So this was all about the today's video. You have seen everything. I've shown everything, how to apply, how to use this application. I have also provided a description. The link is there of this application. You can use this application and apply for the job. So it is very easy to apply, and you have a hands-on experience. You can also have a hands-on experience on your mobile phone and apply for the job. So thank you for watching this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have also made a Telegram channel where I have been posted many materials related to interviews, related to different categories, and I'm also posting some of the job updates there. You can also join that Telegram channel. I am given the Telegram channel username in the description also, and it is being displayed on my screen also. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.